In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Miro whiteboard 1-minute steps. First, create or open a board. From the dashboard, click New Board to start or open an existing board from your projects. Next, navigate the workspace. Use your mouse wheel or a 2-finger trackpad gesture to zoom in and out. To move around the canvas, click and drag with the right mouse button or pan with 2 fingers on a trackpad. Add basic elements from the toolbar on the left. Pick sticky notes for quick ideas, text for labels, shapes to organize content, or the pen for freehand drawing. Click anywhere on the canvas to place the item, then type or draw to begin. Editing is simple. Click an object to select it, and a floating menu will appear. Use it to change color, size, and font, or to add tags so related items are easy to find. You can also drag the object's handles to resize it. When you're ready to work with others, click Share in the top right corner to invite collaborators. Finally, present or export your work. Use Present to walk teammates through your board and export a snapshot as an image or PDF to share outside Miro. That's the quick tool you need to start creating on a Miro whiteboard.